Today's tutorial, how to add name table in Excel using C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we'll learn how to add named table using the IronXL library in a .NET application. So first, we ensure that you have the IronXL NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can easily do so using the NuGet package manager. Moving on to the program.cs file, we start by importing the IronXL namespace and setting the license key for IronXL. Create a new workbook and get the default worksheet where we will add our data. Add data to a range of cells in the worksheet. So for this example, we add text to the range A2 to C5. Configure the name table by selecting a range in the worksheet. So in this case, we select the range A1 to C5. Decide whether to show the filter for the named table. In this example, we choose not to show the filter. Choose a table style for the named table. So here we use table style dark 1 style. Add the name table using the add name table method to the worksheet with table name and the configured settings. And then finally, save the workbook as add name table.xlsx. So next we'll retrieve the named table from the saved workbook. First, let's load the add name table workbook and get the default worksheet. Retrieve all the name tables in the worksheet to see the list of named tables using get named table names. Get the specific name table, table 1, to verify its range and settings. So let's run the application to see the name table being added and retrieved successfully. All right, so there you go. We've added the table to the Excel sheet with the table named as table 1. So it's that simple. By following these steps, you can easily add and retrieve named tables using IronXL in your .NET applications. Again, we invite you to explore more advanced functionalities of IronXL for versatile spreadsheet tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronXL, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Just click the link below, check it out for yourself.